Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting your culinary journey, having the right tools can make all the difference between baking success and kitchen stress. Today, I'm sharing 11 essential kitchen gadgets that will transform your baking game and help you create professional quality treats right at home. From precision measuring to perfect mixing, these tools are the secret weapons every baker needs in their arsenal. Get ready to upgrade your kitchen and take your baking skills to the next level. KitchenAid Artisan Stand Mixer. A versatile and iconic kitchen appliance, this stand mixer features a 5-quart stainless steel bowl and 10 speeds for mixing, kneading, and whipping with ease. Its tilt-head design allows for easy access to the bowl, while the power hub accommodates a variety of optional attachments, from pasta makers to food grinders. Customers praise its durability, stylish design, and ability to handle heavy doughs like sourdough bread effortlessly. Available in over 20 colors, it complements any kitchen aesthetic, ideal for avid bakers and home chefs seeking a reliable, multi-purpose mixer. Broil King Grilling Stone. Designed for high-temperature baking, this 15-inch ceramic composite stone is ideal for grilling pizzas and bread. Its thick 0.75-inch construction ensures even heat distribution and excellent insulation from direct flames. The durable material resists cracking caused by moisture or temperature changes, making it a reliable choice for outdoor cooking. Customers praise its compatibility with Kamado grills and its ability to deliver crispy crusts and professional quality results. Perfect for outdoor cooking enthusiasts looking to enhance their grilling experience. Spring Chef Dough Blender. This heavy-duty dough blender is a must-have tool for bakers, featuring thick stainless steel blades that cut through cold butter effortlessly. Its ergonomic soft grip handle reduces hand strain, making it comfortable to use even for extended periods. Customers highlight its versatility, using it not only for blending dough but also for mashing avocados, chopping nuts, and preparing baby food. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean, it delivers consistent results for flakier biscuits, pie crusts, and pastries. Perfect for bakers and home cooks looking for a durable, multifunctional kitchen tool. Spring Chef Magnetic Measuring Spoon Set. This set of stainless steel measuring spoons is designed for durability and convenience, featuring strong N45 magnets that keep the spoons neatly nested for easy storage. The dual-sided design includes an oval end for fitting into spice jars and a round end for liquids, while the flat bottoms prevent spills when placed on counters. Customers praise the clear, easy-to-read measurements, the included leveler for precision, and the dishwasher-safe construction. Perfect for home cooks and bakers seeking a compact, versatile, and long-lasting measuring tool. OXO Good Grips Cookie Press Set. Creating decorative cookies is effortless with this well-designed cookie press. Its ergonomic lever and non-slip base ensure stability, while the clear body allows users to monitor dough levels. The set includes 12 stainless steel discs with festive designs and a storage case for organization. Customers highlight its sturdy construction, ease of cleaning, and ability to produce consistent, professional-looking cookies. Perfect for bakers of all skill levels who want to make charming, uniform cookies with ease. Digital Kitchen Scale. This compact and sleek kitchen scale is perfect for precise measurements, supporting 5 units of weight: grams, ounces, pounds, milliliters, and fluid ounces. With a capacity of up to 11 pounds in 1 gram increments, it is ideal for baking, meal prep, and portion control. Customers praise its quick and accurate readings, easy-to-clean stainless steel surface, and user-friendly tare function. The backlit LCD display ensures clear visibility, and the included batteries make it ready to use out of the box. Perfect for home cooks and bakers seeking an affordable, reliable, and space-saving scale. Amazon Basics Silicone Baking Mat. A reusable and eco-friendly alternative to parchment paper, this set of 2 silicone baking mats offers a non-stick surface for effortless baking. The mats fit standard cookie sheets and are heat-resistant, durable, and easy to clean. Customers highlight their ability to handle sticky ingredients like cheese and chocolate without sticking, as well as their convenience for rolling out dough. The mats lie flat immediately after unrolling and are praised for their long-lasting performance. Ideal for bakers looking to reduce waste and simplify cleanup while achieving consistent results. Super Baking Banneton Kit. For sourdough enthusiasts, this kit offers everything needed to create artisanal bread at home. It includes a 9-inch rattan proofing basket, scoring lame, scrapers, and a dough whisk, all crafted for durability and ease of use. The handcrafted basket helps dough retain its shape and creates a beautiful spiral pattern. Customers appreciate the included guide and recipe book, which simplify the process for beginners, as well as the high-quality tools that deliver professional results. A great choice for home bakers, or as a thoughtful gift for bread lovers. Zojirushi Virtuoso Plus Bread Maker. This high-performance bread maker is designed to deliver bakery-quality results at home. Featuring dual heating elements, it ensures perfectly browned crusts, while its 2-pound loaf capacity is ideal for families. With 15 menu settings, including gluten-free and vegan options, it caters to a variety of dietary needs. Customers praise its quiet operation, user-friendly LCD control panel, and the convenience of a 13-hour delay timer. The non-stick bread pan and included measuring tools make preparation and cleanup simple. An excellent choice for home bakers seeking a versatile and reliable appliance. Ultra Cuisine Heavy Duty Cooling Rack. A professional-grade cooling rack designed for baking, roasting, and grilling, this product is made from 100% stainless steel for durability and rust resistance. Its heavy-duty wire grid with small holes and smooth edges ensures even airflow for consistent cooking results. With standing temperatures up to 575 degrees Fahrenheit, it is oven-safe and dishwasher-friendly for easy cleaning. Customers praise its sturdy construction, perfect fit for quarter-sheet pans, and versatility for tasks like smoking jerky or baking cookies. Cuisinart Convection Steam Oven. This countertop steam oven combines convection baking and steaming for faster, healthier cooking. With 9 functions, it can bake, broil, steam, and proof dough, delivering bakery-quality results. Steam heat reduces cooking time by up to 40%, while the combination of steam and convection ensures moist interiors and crisp exteriors. Customers praise its versatility for reheating leftovers, cooking chicken, and steaming vegetables, though some note the controls could be more intuitive. Perfect for health-conscious cooks and those seeking a compact, multifunctional oven. Thanks for watching. Let me know your favorite baking gadget in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more baking tips and tricks. Happy baking!